Hello guys, I have located another error in the platform. This is the error that I'm seeing. It's the error hashtag 1885557. It says promoted post is unavailable. Your ad is promoting the post, this number, which is unavailable. It is either deleted, unpublished, not owned by the ads page, or you do not have permissions to see or promote it. So basically this ad was appearing to some of my accounts when I was trying to duplicate one of my dynamic creative ads, and I wasn't able to just publish it. Okay, the reason for that, and what I thought, is that one of my creatives, for some reason, it's corrupted, or Facebook doesn't want to use it, or whatever. So the solution that I have found to this, because it's you cannot see actually the error, it's just giving you the error message when you try to publish it. You cannot see this error on your ads.
So the workaround that I found about this is that if you watch the view variations over here, you can locate the bad videos. This is the first one that I have located. You see, it gives that. It's an error message. I don't know why it's doing that. And the other one that I located is this one. So in order to run the ads, I need to remove those two. And the moment I click on this one, and then I click on this one, it's actually going to solve the issue, and it's going to be published. See, the error now is fixed. Now, from my experience, if you come here and then you try to find the video all over again and click on it and then hit the publish button, most probably it was a bug and it's going to work. And this is how you solve this issue. You click on the view more variation, you're finding the ones that are having the issue, and the moment you do that and you remove them from here, you will be able to run your ads without the error. I hope it helps.
At least this is how I solved this error for me, and I published my campaigns. By the way, after I published my campaign, I added the ad variation that and the creative that was having the issue, and it published. So I think that this is a glitch, and it has nothing to do with your creative being bad or having a problem. And this is the way to actually overcome it. I will see you in a future video.